Hello, everyone. This is our final project. I'll be talking about the data wrangling part. So we used information from the Iowa State University. The data that we were using is in regards to the unemployment rate over time. What we did to data wrangle that was we pivoted the columns to make sure that we have Alabama and all those states on one, and we have year and unemployment for each of them. So as years go on, the unemployment changes. So this was just to make sure that we could capture the interactive visualization to make sure we can display the change over time.
My name is Quincy. For the static visualizations, I chose to display the states by 1980 to 2016, and we chose a color gradient to show the extremes of both sides. And for the next one, we chose the average unemployment rate of Democratic states from the 2016 stats, and we chose the color blue to visualize the blue states. And for the next graph, we also did the same thing, but this one is now the data is from the Republican states. And as you can see, it's organized here. And now I will pass it on to James.
Hey, so I'm James. So basically for this interaction visualization, we just decided to have it like a scatter plot. It's just displaying all the unemployment rates from 1980 to 2018 for all states and including the United States as an overall average for each year of some sorts. So basically, the interactions we have is just the selecting the state specifically that you want to display. And we have a panning zoom feature that we can just do this. And also, we also have the to scroll up and down to see the specifics. So like, yeah, those are the interactions we have. So I'm going to pass it on to Dalen and he'll talk about the summary of this.
Thanks, James. Can you go ahead and scroll up to the first static visualization? Thank you. So essentially the narrative that we are trying to show is we first wanted to show a visualization of the kind of all time from 1980 to 2016 unemployment rates, so that the user kind of sees the difference in the states kind of over time. And then with our next two static visualizations, what we wanted to show was what the difference was between the Democratic and Republican states. And we chose the leading Democratic and the leading Republican states in the 2016 election, just so we can give the user or cause the user to kind of think about kind of the difference in unemployment rates between red and blue states. And that is it.
Yeah.
Our final project.
Thank you very much.